When caught in a life-threatening situations like a flood, an earthquake, or a tornado, waiting for help will be unbearable. Well, here are 7 lifesavers you need to know. Number 7. Sky-Saver Family Rescue Kit. Do you work or live in a tall building or skyscraper? Have you ever had a fire drill in this building? Do you know what to do in an event of a fire? Well, worry no more. Sky-Saver Family Rescue Kit is a savior. With this rescue kit, you can quickly evacuate from any building by jumping out of the window. Yeah, you heard it right! The controlled descent device will ensure that you land smoothly on the ground floor. It is tested in extreme conditions and has proved to be a huge success. The best part is that you don't need any training to use this. Just follow 3 simple steps. Buckle up, anchor in positions, and jump out of the window. Caution: you may need another set of pads on arrival. Number 6. Aqua-Barrier Water Inflated Dams. With changing climate, it's becoming hard to cope with environmental changes. Natural disasters such as earthquakes, thunderstorms, and floods are one of the most concerning issues globally. Many citizens around the world from different countries have encountered these devastating situations. Well, you are happy to know that this creator will keep you safe from flooding. The Aqua-Barrier is a cost-effective, low-impact, inflatable cover dam that can protect you and your family, and also your property. The Aqua-Barrier unique design with an innovative internal baffle system that locks into place when exposed to outside water pressure creates a watertight seal, not only acting as a flood protection barrier, but this technology is also well known to provide solutions for dry work sites, safely managing water on construction sites, and ideal for pipeline installations or repair, bridge constructions, dredging, and more. Number 5. Restube Safety Buoy for Swimming. Summers are incomplete without beaches. Beaches are a perfect spot to relax and drown out all of the negatives. No doubt, having fun during water sports is fantastic, but we also need a backup plan for when the sea gets rough. Don't worry, Restube has got you covered. Introducing an Inventions that works surprisingly well, a portable and lightweight gadget that will save you from a sticky situation. If you need an extra buoyancy, just pull the trigger and the Restube buoy inflates with a CO2 cartridge from your waist. The trigger handle also serves as a whistle when needed. Restube is reusable by screwing in a new CO2 cartridge and easy to repack. Now, everyone can enjoy freedom and water safety while swimming. Number 4. Resqme Car Escape Tool. Around 500 people lose the battle of their life every year because of car entrapment. Resqme has come up with wonderful solutions to solve this problem. A car escape gadget that looks like a keychain. During an accident, your doors may get jammed. So by pushing the black spring-loaded point against the glass, you will deploy the steel spike shattering the window. When your seat belt is deployed and restraining you in your seat, the protected sharp blade can easily cut the seat belt, freeing you from restraint. With this lightweight and compact tool in your vehicle, you can easily get yourself out of this life-threatening situation. Number 3. Sawyer Extractor Bite and Sting Kit. If you are an adventure geek and love natural nature, you must be aware of wild animals and insects that can bite, right? More specifically, snakes, mosquitoes, and bees can inject their poison into you and give you a nasty bite. The Sawyer Extractor Pump Kit can extract poison from snake bites, wasps, and bee stings, mosquito bites, and more. Because of the double-chamber vacuum pump action, it's much more effective than the conventional blade and knife bite kit. All you need to do is select a suitable cup to cover the bitten area. After that, use the extractor to suck out the dangerous stuff. It's easy to use even with one hand. Effective treatment using this extractor can increase the chances of saving one's life in threatening situations, making the work of medical practitioners much easier. Number 2. Camero Xaver 400. You must have seen on the news that rescuers do their best in finding survivors under debris after an earthquake. Rescue team fight against clock in locating trapped survivors, working non-stop to make the most of the first 72 hours. The Camero Xaver is a life-saving tactical through-the-wall imaging system with a detection range of 20 meters. You can see everything happening in real time with this military-spec equipment. Even the slightest movement is captured in this system. This helps rescuers detect life behind the scene, whether it's a survivor, a hostage, or a gunman. Not only this system has helped rescuers to detect lives under the debris in the aftermath of an earthquake, but this system is also commonly used for tactical teams to obtain live mission critical information before taking tactical entries. Number 1. Vortex Fault Project Station. There are countries with risk of heavy weather conditions all year round. In severe weather conditions like a tornado, you need a place to keep you and your family safe. Vortex has introduced a patent vault project station. It can adjust between 39 inches to 74 inches. At lower heights, the Butcher Block Workbench service can provide you with a working bench, desktop, or any work surface you desire. The patent telescoping technology will raise the project stations to a 74-inch height, giving enough space for your family so you can stay protected in unwelcoming weather. The quarter-inch steel is strong enough to keep you and your family safe from projectiles, even from an EF5 tornado. You can even get it customized according to your taste. So check it out before the next tornado arrives. Subscribe